Hello everyone, this is Joyce with GYS Property Investment, and right now we are here in Zadia Condominium located in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Alam mo ba that Zadia has 5 towers na itatayo dito sa area, and the good thing is if sawa ka na sa overcrowded na lugar, 80% po ang ina-offer natin na open space. Well, 20% lang po ang ma-occupy ng ating buildings. For each floor po, nag-offer tayo ng 32 units. And right now, we are here sa Tower 1 and nag-offer tayo ng resale condominium. So, this is the specific unit na makukuha nyo if interested po kayo, and ang ating payment term is cash only for 3.3M. So, meron na siya mga built-in cabinet. So, it comes with a sink na din. Ating comfort room, meron na tayong toilet, meron na siyang sink. And ito, ang space for your living, dining area, and also yung bedroom mo. And ang kagandahan po dito, bawat unit natin is merong balcony. Meron din po tayong ina-offer na another unit which is katabi lang po nito. Pero if naghahanap ka naman ng deferred payment, ayaw mo nung biglaan na bayad, meron tayong ina-offer na pre-selling na condominium unit. Open sa ating pre-selling is the Tower 4. So for more details and information, you can message me directly on my details and pa-flash sa screen.